guys, welcome back again. How you all doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm so sorry guys, I've not posted in a while. That's because I've been busy. I'm going to be showing us how to make this short dress with two different fabrics. So I have my fabric here. I have 2 yards of African print, and I will be adding this to the sleeve part. So go ahead and fold the fabric. So I will fold my fabric this way into 2. I'll fold it this way into 2. I will fold it again like so. So my fabric is folded into 4. The dress length is 37 inches. I will add 1 inch for hemming allowance. That's 38 inches. So I will be using the whole of this part. I will place the measurement. Half of the shoulder measurement is 8 inches. I will add extra inches for the sleeve. After the shoulder measurement, I'll be adding 21 inches for the sleeve. I have 14 inches here. So I will complete the 21 inches with this other fabric. Both sewing allowance. I won't be making any cut here. I won't be joining the shoulder. There is no seam here right on the shoulder. So I will just come from the shoulder here and go down by 11 inches. This is my arm opening. 11 or 12 inches. I'll make it 12 inches. I'll go down by 12 inches. That's the arm opening or sleeve opening. I'll mark 12 inches right on this side also. I'll make a straight line. So right on this 12 inches, I'll mark a quarter of the bust measurement and add some allowance to it because the dress is free. A quarter of the bust measurement is 10.5 inches. I'll mark 1.5 inches for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. That's 2.5 inches. You can add 2 inches for ease if you like. So I will mark the waist measurement. From shoulder to the waist is 17.5 inches. From waist to hip is 9 inches. So I will place a quarter of the waist measurement here. A quarter of the waist measurement is 8.5 inches. I will still mark 1.5 inches for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. That's 2.5 inches. I will go to the hip and mark a quarter of the hip measurement and add some allowance to it. A quarter of the hip is 11.5 inches. I mark 1.5 inches for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. I will bring this down. I have 14 inches here. I will go to the lower part here, just add extra 1 inch to it because I want it free. I'll mark 15 inches right on the bottom side here. I'll connect it. This from the bust to the waist, from the waist to the hip, and from the hip to the length of the dress. I will make a curve here. I'll make a curve here. You can just come down by 2 inches and go out by 3 inches. Then you just take it like so. I can add pocketry right from here. Just add my pocket because I have some allowance here. So I have 7 inches right from the waistline here. I'll be cutting the pocket and the dress together. I will go to the upper part and mark the neck measurement. So I'll mark 3.5 inches for the wideness of the neck. That's the neck width. I'll just mark 4 by 4. 4 inches for the wideness and the 4 inches for the neck depth, so that I can easily go through the neck. I might make a little cut at the back. It's difficult to put it on. I will make a back slit. I will go ahead and cut it out. I'm cutting the dress and the pocket together. I will cut the neck. I will make a knot here. This is the neckline. I will go to the sleeve side also, make a knot here. This is where I'll be attaching the other fabric. and just make a back slit. This is the center part. So I have 4 inches back slit here. So I will go ahead and then cut out the other fabric. I'll measure here. I have 12 inches here. So I will cut out 12 inches times 2. That's 24 inches. So this is my fabric. So I have 7.5 inches folded into 2. I added ½ inch for sewing allowance. I'll use ½ inch to join it to the other fabric. I will cut out this side also 25 inches. I will notch it here. This is the midpoint. I'll open it up. I'll turn it to the right side. This is the arm opening. I open up the arm opening. I'll match the notch together. Right side facing right side. I will use ½ inch to join this side. I will do the same thing for the other side. So I will also cut out a facing to hem the neckline. Is either I use a facing or bias. So I will cut out the facing. So I'll place it like so. I will trace it out. So I'll take this out. I'll measure to 2 inches round. So I will cut it out. So this is the notch. This is the shoulder notch. Turn it to the right side. So I will use a 1/4 inch to stitch it round and then turn it to the wrong side. So guys, I've finished using the facing to turn the neckline. This is the front. I've also attached the other fabric to the sleeve. Let me turn it this way. This is the back slit. I will attach a button here. I will turn it to the wrong side. We'll be joining the sides together. So you make sure you match the shoulder sides together. So this is the wrong side. I use a hemming gun to keep the facing in place. So I'll make sure I match the seam together. I'll use 1 inch to stitch it from here to the pocket area and bring it down. I'll do the same thing for this side. Make sure they are aligned. I will use 1 inch to stitch it here and bring it down. After I've done that, I will hem the lower part with 1 inch round. So guys, I finished joining the dress. I also hem the lower part. This is the back. I will add a button here. Very simple and easy to make. So that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video, subscribe and share. We'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.